friends. So I've seen a couple videos as far as fire starters using an egg carton. I was kind of skeptical at first, but now I want to try and see if it works, because we all know starfighters can cost a lot of money. So why not do it with your own home remedies, things you already have in the house? But it calls for an egg carton, and not just any egg carton. It has to be the cardboard egg carton. Some lint, some simple lint from your dryer, and you're supposed to just put it in these holes. Fill a good amount until it feels full. And then a candle. And you're supposed to use a candle that you can break up, and pretty much using a hammer will just break this up little chunks. And then you're supposed to put it in a pan and melt it. Well, I don't want to use one of my pans, so I'm going to use an old metal can. I'm going to crush it and put the actual wax, candle wax, in here and melt it to where it's a liquid form. And then literally, when it's melted, pour it over these little sections, these little egg pockets. I guess you call it egg pockets. And saturate the lint. And let it dry. Break a few of these off, these sections. Light it on fire. And that's supposed to do the trick. They're supposed to burn for 10 minutes. Which then will start your wood on fire, and you'll have a marvelous, fantastic fire. Let's do it and see what happens. Okay, here we have our Coleman burner. We have our broken up wax in a can. We have our egg carton full of lint, all packed in real good. Now to melt the wax. Wax is melting, smoking a little bit. Add a little bit more. You can see there's a water base now for melting the wax. Really doesn't take long. Now it's fully melted. We're going to use pliers here so we don't burn ourselves. And saturate each egg pocket real good. This full can should do the trick. And here we have the egg cartons. I pretty much ripped them from the box once they were dried. There's got to be an easier way of cutting them or breaking them apart. But for this test, this will do. Just adding some sticks just to get the fire going, and we'll go from there. It light pretty good. See if I can burn some wood with them. Gotta give this experience a thumbs up. Time for a wiener roast.